top outlook mountain. You just see the sign. I seen the sign.
DCBoys with the Choo Choo Bowl.
Yeah, man, we up here at Howard High School, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Choo Choo Bowl. Henry Boys Gymnasium, man, for the way in. Got 72 teams up here. It's loaded. What up, BZ? How many tackles you gonna get today? How many tackles you gonna get today? 20. 20, that's what I'm talking about. How many tackles you gonna get today? 10? Okay, we gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see, man. I want y'all to turn up today. We gotta eat today. Always good to eat.
In half a mile, use either lane to turn left on Hickson Pike.
That's the GPS.
We're gonna go get some food and we're gonna head back to my football game.
What you gonna do in the football game?
Make somebody's helmet come off.
You gonna see. You gonna see.
Finna eat McDonald's. We finna eat McDonald's. Oh, it's great. So they all got something to eat.
Shh, I could have went to Chick-fil-A for this. What we do it for, bro? No play. Take a picture. Still picture.
My nigga stay in the fruit. I just can't stop it like it was fruit. Cause I ran it back up in a week. Don't you go baller, do you on my feet? My pocket can't stop my beat. I keep the blue with the blue and the pure with the pure. When I spread it, my shit looking neat. But I'm gonna figure it out. He say I was with you back then. He with you out. They told me I made it.
Watch it. There we go. There you go, Pete.
Let's go, Charles.
Boy, I got no water. Stood there and watched your butt not move. This man made it from the middle of the field. Just dang on, almost make a tackle on your side. You hear me? That means you ain't moving.
Read and react, man. You got to go. You can't just stand there playing with your mouthpiece or your jersey or whatever.
Look, when we talking to y'all on the sideline, y'all stop looking at us. Y'all can listen, stop looking at us. Just listen. Y'all be looking at us doing the play. Just listen, y'all, so y'all can still look at the play. All right?
Clack. In the middle. Clack. Get the ball, take the ball. Last.
TJ. Turn it on, TJ.
Both of them. On this one.
They gonna get tired of hitting that.
Hey, do we got time out.
Check down.
Get out there, RJ. Keep running.
Stay right there, Dallas. Go hard.
Here we go. There you go right there. Good job. There you go. Go get that ball outside. Good job.
I'm gonna be running that bitch, boy.
Get up out of there, boy. Still for him. Get out of there.
Let's go, Kyle.
Get out of there. Let's get it. Let's eat, my boy. Let's eat.
Hey, that feel nice.
Good job, gang. Y'all can warm hands, but not that.